Is julle reg? Is jy reg? Okay, morning guys. Sorry for the delay. We had some internet issues. Welcome to another ComOrg auction. Today's date 30 January. Just some T's and C's, guys. Please listen to these carefully. ComOrg reserves the right to control the auction and revoke any bidding card should it be deemed necessary. We've got quite a few online bidders. Everybody's been approved. If there's issues with FICA, etc., then both CDP and Meerkat are busy with these clients. In the event of a dispute, the auctioneer will determine who the buyer is, and that decision will be final and binding. The purchaser accepts all the auction terms and conditions, whether present or not. On the fall of the hammer, the sale is final and binding. The purchaser has had time to inspect all lots and place bids accordingly. All lots are sold footstewards as is with no duty to repair. ComOrg and its sellers cannot be held liable for any errors in description. We have, however, done all that we can to ensure that the right information has been provided. Guys, for argument's sake, on trucks, on machines, if we give you hours and mileage, that is what we see. So it should be accurate, it should be right, but we do not have history on a lot of these assets. Payment of your invoices has to be done within 48 hours. So I think safe to say close of business on Monday. Anybody who does finance, once you receive your invoice, we need a 30% deposit. Guys, we hope that if you're bidding and there's finance, that you have got pre-approval in place. All risk, including fire and theft, but not limited thereto, shall fall on the buyer. All lots to be removed by Tuesday, the 3rd of February. Guys, we're not going to be too strict on this. This is our yard. So if you make arrangements for late collection, that's not an issue. Just talk to us, please. When notice documents are applicable, ComOrg will dealer stock and ensure there's no outstanding license fees. There's 1,500 Rand ex-VAT per notice doc. So if you buy a site tip, a link for argument's sake, that is 2 notice docs, in other words, 2 doc fees. A change of ownership will be submitted to the licensing office, giving the purchaser 21 days to register. Notice documents takes between 7 and 10 working days. We do most of the time get them much quicker than that and dealer stock, and then we courier to you. We cannot send your notice documents until we receive your change of ownership, your BRNC, etc. All buyers are to calculate the bidding prices. Whatever the bid is, add 10% commission, add VAT on the whole amount. We do have certain items, that is non-VATable. So on those, you will pay the bid price, no VAT on the bid price. However, the commission and or doc fees will have VAT on them. And we've said that. Guys, we're doing the whole auction STC as it's difficult online to approve. You will see on the screens that it might say reserve not met, it might say reserve met. The whole auction is STC. Due to an issue we've had end of last year, guys, please note that whether it says approved or not approved, do not bid on the second item if it says not approved. If you want 5 trailers, bid on all 5 trailers. We do our best to get these sales approved. But please don't take the reserve not met icon as the final decision. All right, we've got, as I said, 2 online platforms. We've got telephone bids and we have got pre-bids from clients on certain assets. So clients either bidding with CDP or with Meerkat, they will call out these bids. All right, let's start. Lot number 1. We've got a toolbox. It's got 201 pieces in it. And we currently have a bid on CDP of 4,000. Do we have any? We've got 4.5. Do we have 5? 4.5 we have with Meerkat. Any advances on 4,500? Lot 1. No advances. Sold. 4.5 buyer 1387. Okay, guys, lot number 2, it is exactly the same. I see we maar jy is op 3.5. We've got 3.5 at CDP. Do we have any other bids? We've got 4,000. Any advances on 4,000? 4 for the first, second, last call, sold. Sorry, 4.5 we have. Net in tyd. Eintlik nie, maar kom ons vat dit. 4.5 we have on Meerkat. Any advances on 4,500? Ja, julle kan die increments besluit vanaf, doesn't matter. Yeah. We've got 4.5 on Meerkat for the first, second, last call, sold, 1789. En hy kry confetti. Lot number 3. We've got 4,000 on CDP. Any advances on 4,000? Julle kan 250s ook gaan as julle wil, hoor. Do we have 4,250? Het jy? 4,250 we have. 4.5. Any advances on 4,250? 4,250 for the first, second, last call, sold. 1022. Guys that are bidding online, please swipe a bit quicker. We want to get this done as soon as possible and ensure that you get what you bid for. Lot number 4 is exactly the same. We've got an opening bid of 4,000. Can we get 4,250? Het jy? 4.5. 4,250 we've got. Any advances on 4,250? For the first, second, last call, sold, 1022, last buyer. Lot number 5, same thing, guys, it is just blue. We have got an opening bid of 4,000 again. Can we get 4,250? We've got 4,250, 4.5. Any advances on 4,250? Weet jy, ek hoor 'n dingetjie. 4,250 for the first, second, last call, 1789. Lot number 6, same story again. Opening bid, we've got 4,000 again. Can we get 4,250? 4,000 we've got. $4,000 for the first. 4,250 we have. Can we get 4.5? 4,250 for the first, second, last call by a 1022. Lot number 7, that's the last toolbox. Do we have an opening bid? 4,000 we have. Can we get 4,250? We've got 4,250, 4.5. $4,250 for the first, second, Last call. 4.5 we have. Can we get 4750? 4.5 we have on Meerkant. Any advances? 4.5 for the first, second, last call, sold. 1, 2, 4, 7. Okay, guys, we've got quite a few items here. The next probably 20, 25 lots. We had a company closure auction in November in Benoni, and we had one client paid a deposit and never paid his invoice. So we're reselling these items. They all sold, no reserve. What do we get? Just to mention, I think except for lot 8, all the other welding rods that we're selling are sealed boxes. They still, most of them that are sealed are wrapped in aluminium foil, so they should all still be in good condition. Lot number 8, do we have opening bids? Dis daai by julle, R1000. We've got R1,000. Can we get 1,250? R1,000 we have. Any advances on R1,000? 1,000 for the first, second, last call, sold. 1,354. Lot number 9, we've got 9 toolboxes. They have got tools in, guys. I'm sure the photos are online. Most of them have got the same tools. They were used for sheet metal purposes. Do we have any opening bids on lot 9? We've got 2,500. Do we have any advances on 2,500? Can we get 2,750? That's for all 9 toolboxes, including the tools inside. Any advances on 2.5? 2,750 we have. Can we have 3? 2,750 we have. Asking for 3. We've got 3,250. 3,000 we have. 3,000 for the first, second, last call by a 1,578, and this sold, well. Lot number 10, we've got 180 Werner knotted wire wheels. Guys, we've done the homework on these. They're about R300 each. You do the math, that's a lot of money. Where can we start? Can we start at 5 grand? Do we have any opening bids? 2.5. We've got 2.5. Can we get 3? Two and a half asking for 3,000. Two and a half for the first. 3,000 we've got. 3.5 you have. 4,000 we have. Asking 4.5. 4,000 we've got. 4,000, 5, 3.5 or 5? 4.5 have, guys. Any advances on 4,500? 4.5 for the first, second, last call, Sold 1003. Lot 11, it's exactly the same as the previous lot. Can we start at 4,000? Any opening bids? We've got 4. We've got 4 asking 4,500. 4,000 for the first, second, last call, sold 103. Okay, lot number 12, guys. 180 welding helmets. We have got about 4 of these welding helmets in. So you're buying 180 helmets, one money. Not per piece, you're buying the lot. Where can we start on lot 12? Can we start at 2.5? 8, yeah. 2.5. Have asking for 3. Can we get 2,750? 2,500 for the first, second, last call, sold 188. Sorry, 275. Can we have 3,000? Kom Marcel. Asking 3,250. Ja, hoeveel? R16 a helmet. We've got 3,000. Can we ask for 10,000 now? 3,000, asking 3,250. 3,000 for the first, second, last call, sold. Last buyer, 1,003. Lot 13 is 164 helmets. So at 16 rand, that should probably be about 2.5 grand. And we've got 2.5 grand. Asking 2,750. 2.5 we have. We've got 2,750. 3,000 rand. 3,250. 3,000 we have. Any advances on 3 grand? 3,000 for the first, second, last call, sold 1,578. Lot number 14, guys. It's a whole pallet full of floodlights. So we don't know how many. It's a pallet full. Hulle het gewerk. We've got 500 bucks. You should be buying one light, but you could have the whole pallet for that money. 500 bucks we have. Can we have 750? We've got. Can we have 1,000? Wonder wat kos een van daai groot floodlights. Baie geld. We've got 1,250. Thank you. Can we have 1.5? 1,250 we have. Asking 1.5. 1,250 for the first, second, last call, sold 1,578. Lot 15, we have got a vinyl machine with, I would say, 20, 25 rolls of vinyl stickers. According to our sellers from that auction, this machine was still working. Nee, jy kan nie daai ding koop nie, jy het 'n vinyl machine. We've got 2,000 rand, asking 2.5. Hoeveel? 20 rolls, sorry. If we cut them in half, it's 40. We've got 2,000 rand on CDP. Any advances on 2,000 rand? Guys, we're selling this stuff. 2.5 we have. Can we get 3? We'll in 250s gaan. Can we get 2,750? We've got 2.5. What is ping? 2,750. We've got 3,000. Any advances on 2,750? $2,750 for the first, second, last call, sold, 1,007. Okay, lot 16, another batch of welding helmets, 120 of them. Can we start at 1,000? We've got 1,000, that's fine. Can we get 1.5? We've got 2,000. 1.5 we have, asking for 2,000. Can we get 1,750? Yep. We've got 2,500, thank you. Ons gaan 250s, 2,750. 2.5 we have. Any advances on 2.5? The first, second, last call, sold, 1,578. Is die spoed alright? Moet ons stadiger gaan? Is julle reg? Kyk hoe mooi stadig praat ek. Lot 17, another welding helmet batch, also 120 pieces. Waar kan ons begin? 2.5. Gaan hulle na Corneille se pawnshop toe. 2,500 we have. Can we have 2,750? Hulle kom van Medupi af, hoor. 2.5, jy gaan baie weld met 120 helmets. Hoor jy so, ekskuus, daar's 'n fout. Waar is ons nou? Lot 17. Ek sien jou quantity is 180. My quantity is 120. Wat het julle? Okay, well, I'm selling 120. If it's 180, good for you. 2,500 we've got. Do we have any advances on 2.5? Can we have 2,750? 2.5 for the first, second, 180. Definitely. Okay, it's 180 pieces, not 120. 2,500, asking 2,750. 2.5 for the first, second, last call, 2,750 we've got. Asking 3. 2,750 we've got, asking for 3,000. For the first, second, last call, sold. 1,354. Lot number 18, exactly the same thing, 180 pieces. Waar kan ons begin? 2.5 we've got, asking 2,750. 2.5 for the first. $2.5 for the second. Last call. Sold. 1,003. Lot number 19. It's, hoeveel stukke is daar? Seker 10. 8, hoeveel? Spray pots, guys. Pressure and spray pots. We're selling the lot. I see we've got 3,000. Any advances on 3,000 Rand? 3,000 for the first, second, last call, sold. 1,578. Lot number 20. We've got Lincoln 7018 2.5 welding rods. They are LH rods. 252 kilos. We've got 2,000 Rand. Eintlik daai wiskunde maak. Wat kos daai goed per kilo? We've got 4,000, dankie. 5 we've got. 6 we've got. 6.5. 6.5 we've got. Any advances on 6,500? 6.5 for the first, second, last call, sold. 1,845. Next lot, lot 21, same story, 108 kilograms. Should go for half the money. We've got 1,000 Rand and I kry confetti. We've got 1.5. Can we get 2,000? One and a half, guys, we're selling. Any advances on 1,500 Rand? For the first, second, last call, sold. 1,845. Lot number 22. These are Lincolns, not ISO ARCs. These are the expensive ones. 400 kilograms. So 3 times the previous lot, 4 times the previous lot. We've got 5,000 Rand. Thank you. 5.5. 6.5. 7. We've got 7,000 Rand online. Any advances on 7,000 for 400 kilograms of welding rods? 7.5 we have. Asking 8, we've got 8, 8.5. 8,000 we have, asking 8.5. 8,000 for the first, 8.5 we have, asking 9. 9 we've got, 9.5. 9,000 Rand for 400 kilograms of welding rods. 9.5 gaan ons hier vat. We've got 10,000 this side, asking 10.5. 10,000 we have on Meerkat, 10.5 we have, asking 11. 11.5. 11,000 rand. 11 for the first. 11.5, ne? Asking 12. 11.5. 12 we've got, 12.5. 12,000 we've got, asking 12.5. 12 for the first, second, last call, sold. 1,845. Lot number 23. ISO arc, 324 kilos. Guys, obviously all of these are approximate. As close as we could get to the correct weight. Our weight should be slightly less than what they actually are. We have got an opening bid of 2,000 Rand. 324 kilos. En ons het net R2,000. Asking 2.5. 2,000 for the first, second, last call, sold. 1,354. Lot number 24, 200 kilos of Lincoln. Opening bid of 2,000 we have. 2.5, 3, 3.5. We've got 3,000. Asking 3.5. 3,000 for the first. 3.5, 4. 4.5. 4,000 for the first, second, 4.5, asking 5. 4,500 Rand. First, second, last call, sold. 1,013. Lot number 25, guys. This should be the expensive stuff. We've got stainless steel welding rods, 309L, 380 kilograms. All still sealed in their containers. Where can we start? 5,000 hetons. 5,000 we've got. Can we get 5.5? 5,000 for the first, second, last call, sold. 1,354. Is my wiskunde reg? Daai is 12 of 13 rand 'n kilogram. Weet jy wat vra stainless steel welders om te weld? Daai ou kan nou afslag gee. Lot number 26, ISO ARC 7018's 396 kilograms. Where can we start? Any opening bids? Can we start at 2,000? No bids. We've got 2.5. Asking 3. We've got 3.5. Asking 4. 3,500 for the first, second, 4.5 we've got. Julle moet skree. 4,500. Asking 5. 4.5 for the first, second, nee, ek sal maar vir jou loer, eet hom maar. Last call, sold, 1,354. Kan ons hom vastmaak? Ag maar, ek kan maar so bly. Ek kan maar so bly. That's fine. Okay guys, lot number 27. We've got another batch of ISO ARC 420 kilograms. Can we start at 3,000? We've got 3. We've got 4. We've got 5. We've got 5,000 Rand. We've got 5.5. 5.5 we have, asking 6. 5.5 for the first, second, last call, sold by 1578. Jonathan, wie's daai? Okay, guys, next lot, lot 28. We've got 480 kilograms, more than the previous lot. Where can we start? Can we start at 3 grand? Any opening bids? 2.5. We've got 3.5. Asking for 4. 3,500 for the first, second, last call, sold. 1354. Lot number 29, various 1.5 we have. 1.5 looking for 1750. Ons kan wag, ek vat 'n slukkie. $1.5 we've got, julle is terug. Any advances on 1,500 rand? 1,005 for the first, second, last call, sold, 1578. Okay, guys, lot number 30. Brand new 1.5 meter slasher. Brand new, never been used. Do we have opening bids? 12.5. 12.5 we have. Ask. $15, $50, $60, $1,000, $15,000. We've got. Brand new, guys. 17.5 we have, 18. 17.5 for the first. Met ek wag. 17.5 for the second. Last call. Sold. 10.20. Daar gaat julle. Geef my maak daai ry toe. Dit gaan help, dink ek. Okay, guys, lot number 31. This is the first of the containers. As we said, we think these are the last ones we're getting. This has been converted with 2 offices and a storeroom. So it should be divided in 3 equal pieces. We have got 55. Can we get 60? 60 we've got. 65. 65 we have. Let's go smaller. 67.5. 65 we've got. Any advances on 65? No advances. 70 we've got. 72 and a half. Julle kan kleiner gaan. 75 we've got. Gaan 2.5. 75 we've got. Asking 77 and a half. 75 for the first, second, last call. Lot number 32. It's a normal 12 meter. It's a high roof, guys. Not a normal 12. It's a high roof 12 meter. Do we have any opening bids? 35 we have. Can we get 40? 30. 37 and a half we've got. 40. 40 we've got. 42 and a half, asking 45. 42 and a half we have. Can we get 45? 42 and a half for the first, second, $20.10. 42 and a half. Okay, next lot, guys. Lot 30. Hoeveel? 35. 37 and a half. 35 we've got. Asking 37 and a half. We've got 40. 40 we have. 42 and a half. Was it 42 and a half? Can we get 45? 42 and a half. Second. Last call. By 2010. It's 42 and a half geweest, né? Okay, lot 34. We've got a 6 meter converted into a office. Well, it's got a door and 2 windows. Where can we start? Can we start at 40? 35 we have. Can we get 40? 40 we've got. We get 45. 45 we have. 50. No advances on, we've got 50. Any advances on 50? For the first, second, last call, sold, 1340. Okay, lot 30. $25, waar wil julle begin? Any opening bids? 25. 30 we've got, thank you. Asking 32 and a half. 30,000 we have. Asking 32 and a half. Count it, guys. 30 for the first, second, last call, by 1473. Okay, we've got another brand new slasher, lot number 36. It is a 1.2 meter. Waarvoor het die ander een verkoop? 20. Last one, 17 and a half. Where can we start? 15. 14. 10. Ons het 10. Is ergens. Can we get 12 and a half? We've got 10,000. Can we get 12 and a half? 12 and a half we have. 15. 15 we've got. Can we get 16? We've got 16. Can we get 17? Ons gaan kleiner. 16 and a half. We've got 16. Can we get 16 and a half? $16 for the first, second, last, 1387. Okay, lot number 37, another high cube 12 meter. 35 we've got, thank you. Can we get 40? 35 we've got. Any advances on 35? $37 and a half. Can we get 40? This is for a 12 meter, guys. We've got 37 and a half. Do we have 40? We've got 40. Can we get 42 and a half? Is julle nog aan? Julle goed raak baie stil nou. Het julle nog sein? For the first, we've got 42 and a half. Dankie, toch. Can we get 45? 42 and a half for the first, second, last call by a 1354. As hulle op Medupi was, het hulle baie meer geld gegaan. Lot number 38. This is the last 12 meter, guys. Lot 38. We've got 35. Thank you. 37 and a half. 40. Got 42 and a half. We've got 40 asking for, we've got 42 and a half, thank you. Asking for 45. 12 meter. We've got 45. 47 and a half. 45 for the first, second, last call, buyer 1013. Okay, and this is the last 6 meter, lot 39. We've got 25, thank you. 27 and a half. 25 we have, 27 and a half, 30. We've got 30, 32 and a half. We've got 30,000 asking 32 and a half. So the last 6 meter, guys. 32 and a half we have, thank you. 35. 32 and a half we have, asking for 35. 32 and a half for the first. Nog nie vir my die nommer gee nie, dalk by julle nog. 32 and a half for the second. Last call. 2012. All right, lot number 40. This is the last slasher we've got, 1 meter. We've got 10,000. 10,000 we've got, 12 and a half we have, 15 we have, dankie. 15,000 we've got. Can we get 16? 15,000 we have. 15,000 for the first, second, last call. Guys, we have got more of these slashes available, so we'll contact the bidders. If they want more than one, they're welcome to have. Second bidders, if you wanted the same money as the one bid, then you can also have. Okay, lot number 44. We've got a steel structure, 12 meters by 36 meters, 4.5 high. The whole description is down there. Guys, the only thing that you need is your sheeting. It's the same as the one we've got here, which we're sitting under. This one is just smaller. Where can we start? Can we start at 100 grand? The structure is about 180,000 erected. We have 100,000. Thank you. Can we go 110? We 20. 100 we've got 120. Dankie toch. 30. 120 we have, asking for 130. 140. 130,000 we have, looking for 140. 140 we've got. Can we get 145? 140 we've got, guys. For the first, second, last call, 1943. Okay, we've got a lot 45. It's a 22-seater Iveco Daily. We didn't have much advertising on this, so let's see. Can we start at 200 grand? If there's no bids, guys, we're going to pass it over. No bids? Pass it over. Lot number 46. Ek weet nie of ons al ooit so baie navraag op enige item gehad het nie. So kom ons kyk wat gebeur. 80,000 we've Can we get 100? Asking 100. We've 10. 110, asking 110,000. We have any advances on 110? And we are selling this, guys. We've got 110,000. Can we get 115? 110, 115 we have. Dankie. 120. We've got 115,000 asking for 120. 115. 120 we've got, asking 125. 120 for the first. Let's see. 120 for the first, second, last call, sold, 1022. Okay, lot number 47, guys. 2024 NP200, 28,000 kilometers with a full service history. Can we start at 150? 140. If we don't have bids, we're going to pass it over. 2024, we've got, hoeveel? 120 we've got. Can we get 130? 120,000 we've got. Can we get 130? 130 we have. 140? 130,000 we have. Can we get 140? Is jy nog online? Miskien moet ons hom vir die jaar koop. 130, okay, we've got 140. Asking for 150. 140 we've got. 150 we've got. Asking 160. 160 we have. 165. 160 for the first, second, last call, 2010. Okay, lot number 48, guys. As you all know, we are agents for Revaro. So we're selling these machines brand new with their warranties. I think on these loaders, either a year and 1,000 or 2 years and 1,000. Can't remember, but brand new. Obviously, we've got reserves on these. Can we start at 200,000? No bids? Pass it over. Lot number 50, a 2021 model double axle diesel Bowser. It says 2,000 liters on it. Sorry. Sien, dankie toch. Sorry guys, lot 49. Agritech mixer. It's one of our clients that brought us and asked we need to see what offers we can get. He paid well over 350,000 for this mixer. We will take the highest offer back to him and see if he approves or not. Can we start at 150? Whatever bids we get, we'll submit to him. What did you, 150? 150 we've got. Can we get 160? 150,000. Kan ons 160 kry? 150 for the first, second, last call, 1017. Ek dink nie dit gaan gebeur nie. But let's see. Nou is dit lot 15, hè? Ek sal vir jou gee, maar hy het 350 of iets vir die ding betaal. Hulle hoop rondom 250, maar dit is ver van wat daai is. Ag, anders soos na die tyd maar bel. Ja, ek dink dis net baie ver uit mekaar uit. Okay guys, lot number 50. We've got a 2,000 litre diesel Bowser. It's a 2021 model, pump and meters. As far as I know, it's got braked axles on it. New trailer like this, about 80, 85,000. Where can we start? Can we start at 40? That is half price. Do we have 40,000? We've got 39,000. Nader as dit gaan ons nie kom aan 40 nie. We've got 30, we've got 44. Can we get 45? 44,000 we have asking, we've got 45. Can we get 46? $45,000 we've got asking for 46. $45 for the first, second, last call, 46 we have, baie dankie. Asking for 47, we have got 46,000. 46 for the first, second, last call, 1354. Okay, lot number 51, another steel structure. That is exactly the same as the one we're sitting under. Ons moes dalk net die kamera omgedraai het. Onderste bo laat lê. Where can we start? Can we start at 80? 70? If there's no bids, we're going to pass it over. No interest? Ons los hom. Lot number 52, 2010 Ford Ranger 2.5 4x4 double cab. Hy is net ingery. Where can we start, guys? 80 grand. 70. We have got 70. Thank you. Can we get 75? Yep. We've got. Can we get 80? 75, we've got 80. Can we get 85? Yep. We've got 85. Can we have 90? We've got 85 asking for 90. Het ons 90. We've got 90 looking for 95. 90 for the first, second, last call, 1017. Okay, lot number 53. Also a brand new Revaro mini excavator, 2-year or 2,000 hour warranty, whichever comes first. Brand new, guys, 2.2 hours. Where can we start? Retailing for about 130, 140, somewhere there. Can we start at 100? If there's no interest, we're going to pass it over. No bids. Okay, awesome. Lot 54. 2000 Hyundai. 160,000 Ks. Waar kan ons begin? 40. 35. Any bids? No bids. Ons los hom. Lot number 55. Lot 55. Waar kan ons begin? 5,000. 4,000. 3,000. Ons het 5,000. Baie dankie. 5.5 we have. 6. 5.5 het ons 6,000. 6.5 het jy. 5.5. Waar is ons nou? 5.5 by julle. Kan ons 6,000 kry? Ons het 6, baie dankie. 6.5. 6,000 we have, asking 6.5. Dankie toch. Asking for 7. 6.5 we have for the first, second, last call, 1,387. Okay, guys, lot number 56, part of company closure in November. It's an Evotech 16.5 kVA generator. This generator was running their factory. The water pump went, and it was never assembled. We did notice there's some small parts missing, manifolds, small things. There's a fan missing. It's got a brand new radiator, custom built aluminium radiator. So we believe the engine as well as the alternator is working, the generator part of that. I see we've got 30. Can we get 35? As hy reg was hy oor 100. Was it 35? 40? Bye-bye. Mooi bly weg van die trantale af. 35 we have. Asking for 40 we has. $35 for the first. We're selling this, guys. For the second, 40 het ons. 45. We have 50. 45 for the first, second, last call, 1642. Okay, guys, lot number 57, star of the show. A lot of interest on this machine. It is a 2021 case excavator. It only has 2,900 hours. Julle beskrywing is verkeerd. Maar dit is okay, die prentjie wys dis nie 'n mixer nie. Agritech 6 cube feed mixer. Guys, we have got proxy to bid on this machine on behalf of a buyer. We will go up to his bidding price, his maximum price, and if that is the highest offer, we will submit the offer. This is an ex-repo machine, so we will submit the offers again. Lot 57. I've got R1,000,000. Do we have any advances on R1,000,000? Can we get R1,050,000? R1,000,000, jy's op die foon. R1,050,000. 1.1. R1,050,000 we have, 1.1 I have. R1,050,000, about 25. 1,125 we've got. A new machine, guys, 1.95 excluding VAT. So at this stage, it's about 800 grand less than the new one. 1,125 we have on the phone. Do we have any advances on 1,125,000? We're going to count it, 1,125 for the first, second, last call. Ek dog jy skree iets. We will submit that offer, guys, 1,125. What's our 2,005. Hier's te veel nulle. Lot number 58, 2013 Manito telehandler. Jy sal my sê as jy op die foon het, né? Ek kan nie onthou waarop jy be nie. Lot 58, do we have opening bids? Where can we start? 350. Do we have 350 to start with? If we don't start at 350, we are going to pass it over. 350 we have. 375. We've got 400. 425. Maar julle het ook 400 gehad. Nou het jy 425. 450. $425 we have, guys, either way, this is STC. $425 for the first, $450, dankie. $475. Can we get 500? $475 for the first, het 500. 525. $500 for the first, second, last call, 1,000. Lot number 59. This machine has been invoiced provisionally on a reserve given to us by Rondebolt. We are agents for them. We are selling all their used machinery. It's a 2019 with only 5,000 hours on it. We have got a pro forma out to this client. If we do not receive a higher offer, this offer will be submitted to Rondebolt. We have got 725,000. Dit kan jy vat as 'n bid. Do we have any advances on 725? Can we get 750? 725 for the first, second, last call. Okay, we'll submit that and see if we can invoice it. 2012. Geppe, jy het vir Steve op die foon op die ding. Is it your opening bid? That's lot 60, guys. We have got an opening bid of 625. That is from Botswana. 625, asking for 650. It's a 2019 waste compactor with 73,000 Ks on it. Hy was koffie toe en terug. 625, will that be the highest offer? Can we get 650? $625 for the first, second, last call. Daai nommer? 2033. 2003. Okay, lot 61. 2014 JCB 3DX, 7,500 hours. Where can we start? Can we start at 400? 400 we have. 425. 450. Asking for 75. We've got asking for 500. We've got 500. Can we get 510? 500 by yellow, asking for 510. 510 we've got, 520. We have, can we get 530? 530 I've got. Can we get 540? 530 for the first, second, last call, 2004. Okay, lot number 62 came in very late. We've actually had no viewing on this. If we don't have bids, we're going to pass it over. It will be on the next auction. This is a trade-in at a FAW dealership. Any opening bids? No bids. Pass it over. Lot number 63, 2011, sorry, BL61B. 4x4 TLB, guys, this has got a refurbished engine. 4x4's been tested, new tires, got a brand new prop shaft. There's a whole file on what has been done on this machine. And we have got only 290,000 Rand. Can we get 300? We've got 300, 310, 320, 310 we've got, 320 we've got, 330, 320 we've got, asking for 330, 330 we have, 340, 340, 350, asking for 360, 350,000 Rand we have. We've got 360. Can we get 365? We are selling this machine, guys. We've got 360 asking for 365. 360 for the first, second, last call, 1841. Okay, lot number 64. We've got a Nissan UD 10 cube tipper. It's got a brand new bin, new hydraulics, new PTO. Everything on the back is new. Ek weet nie of ons tipperkopers het nie. Kom ons kyk maar. Can we start at 500? There's no opening bids. We're going to pass it over. No bids. Almost awesome. Okay, quite a bit of interest on this. Lot 65. We have a Nissan UD double diff rollback. Should carry about 14 tons. That's the rate on a double diff. To build a deck on this at this stage is about 450,000 rand. And we have got almost the price of the deck. We have got 400,000 rand. Can we get 425? 425 we have. 450? 475? 500? We've got 475, asking 5. We've got 5. 525. Can we get 550? 525 for the first, second, last call, 1366. Guys, please remember, even if it says reserve not met, we are here to do sales. We will do our utmost best to get you these machines. Lot number 67, 2017 Scania R460. Can we start at 350? 350 we have. 360. 370. Sure. Okay, we've got 400. Can we get 410? 410 we have. 420. Wie nog? 420. 430. 420 we have. Do we have any advances on 420? We have 425. Excuse. 420 for the first, second, last call, 2005. Lot number 68. Volvo FM400 water tanker. It is a brand new tank. Should be about a 16, could be a 18,000. Where can we start? Hierdie trok het ook baie laat gekom. So kom ons kyk maar. Can we start at 500? 450? No bids. All right, ons gaan aan. Lot number 69. 2013 Merc. Kilos wys nie hier nie, ek weet nie wat het hy op nie. starts and drives. Drove in here, it's a D fleet from a big company. They do bricks. So this truck did not work hard. Pulled a flat deck link. Can we start at 300 for a Mercedes? 300 we've got. 310, 320, 330. Hoekom sê hy, het ons 330. Dankie, toch. 330 we've got. Do we have any advances on 330,000? 330 for the first, second, last call by a 1018. Is dit nie met 'n single cab bakkie kos nie? Ek weet nie, ons koop tweedehandse bakkies. Lot number 70, guys. It is a Volkswagen 4x2 little horse, starts and drives. Drove in here, it's part of the company closure we had in November. This truck will be sold today. Can we start at 100 grand? Vir 'n lorry wat ry, 100 het ons, 110, 120, 130. We've got 130, asking for 140. Het ons 140, baie dankie. Can we get 145? We've got 140,000 rand only. It doesn't show on my side, but this truck has got very low mileage. Only moved scaffolding. 140,000 for the first. 145. 145,000 I have. Asking for 150. 145 for the first, second, last call, 2003. Okay, lot number 71, guys. There's a story behind this trailer. This trailer is an imported, brand new triaxle fuel tanker. This trailer was imported last year at a cost of 1.8 million rand. This trailer has a capacity of 67,000 liters. 1018. You can quote on moving all the containers we've sold. Lot number 73. Pragtige klein sleepwaandjie. Immaculate condition. Hardly any rust. Hang af waar jy kyk. Waar wil julle begin met 3 wa? 20 grand. Die wa is so effens. Kan ons op 20,000 rand begin? No bids. Dit verbaas my nie eers nie. Okay, ons wag vir jou. Ons soek net 20,000 rand. GP, sê net vir my, ek bel hom terug. Lot number 73, asking 20,000 rand. Yes, miskien moet ek hom ook maar koop vir die jaar. Okay, julle het 20,000 rand. Any advances on 20? Can we get 30? 20 for the first, second, last call. Kom ons kyk maar. 200, né? Okay, lot number 74, 2022 Superior 4-axle detachable load, rated at about 45, 46 tons, 2 meters wide. 8 in the last. Do we have any opening bids? If we don't have opening bids, hy kan daar drink, die hele ding is vol water. No bids. Pass it over. Die gele is van veiling af wat klaar verkoop is, né? Hy is nie hier op nie. Okay, perfect. 76, dit is die rollback trailer. This is a triaxle PR trailer. It goes, well, behind any rigid truck, but it will go behind a rollback. This trailer you'll be able to load in tons. So in other words, you can put 2 TLBs on this trailer. Trailer came in day before yesterday. So if there's no bids, very specialized trailer, very hard to find. Any bids? Next. Skip on. Lot 77 is a brand new triaxle step deck low bed with ramps. Ek koop vir Bantubani, so let's see what the highest bid is. I'll start the bidding at 400. 410. 420 met my. 430, 440. 450, 460 by my. Asking for 470. 460,000 rand by my. 470 het ons. Okay, 475 by my. No advances. 2011. Okay, paar side tippers oor, dan is ons klaar. Lot 78, 2021 Afrit 25 cube trailer. Ek weet nie hoe maak die krom mark nou nie, kom ons kyk. Do we have any opening bids? Can we start at 300? 280 klink vir my. 300. Nuwe ene is 800,000 rand. 310 het jy. 320. 330. 335, 340. 340 het ons. Any advances on 340? For the first, second, last call, 1024. Lot number 79, 2021 Leader 30 cube side tip link. GP, het jy daai kliënt op die foon? Jy moet vinniger bel as dit. This trailer was sold in November. Guys, note, that this buyer has been blacklisted with Meerkat. The info will be given through to CDP as well. If you buy something, please pay it. You were bidding against other people. You're taking commission away from us if you do not pay your invoices. So we will not register you for any of our auctions again. And a mark will be put on your company and your private name on the online bidding platforms. Can we start at 250? Moet wag net 'n oomblik, het jy hom op die foon?
Vorige bod kliënt het gesê hy het op 345 gebid, maar hy het nie deurgegaan.
Okay, dan maak ons hom weer oop. Sorry guys, let's open lot 78 again. Is hy op die foon of is hy online? Okay, we've got 340,000 online. We've got a client that struggled to bid. As jy sy kopersnommer het, kan jy B namens hom op die foon. B hy op Meerkat of die CDP. Okay, dan gaan hulle die nommer hê, jy kan vir ons sê wie dit is. We've got 340 asking for 345. $340,000 we have.
Hy het 345 wie sy syne slag gaan nie deur.
Okay? Gee die foon vir hulle of wat okay, 345. Is dit Gerry?
Nee, Gerry, wat sy bos? Wat's Gerry se gewees?
Op 340.
Ja.
Okay? Ons het 340, ons soek 345. Daai kliënt sê hy bied dit kom nie deur nie.
Hy sê kom maar hy kom.
Met wie praat jy? Okay, maar
O, dit is Gerry. Maar sê vir Gerry, hy moenie teen homself bied nie.
trek Gerry op 350 wat ek nou nie gaan vat.
Gerry, ons het jou 340. Ons gaan jou net op 340 los. Tensy jy spaar geld het, dan gee ek vir jou my rekening. Dan betaal jy die ekstra geldjies na my toe. Daai ding ping. So wat het ons nou?
Ons het 340 by Gerry.
Nog steeds 340 by Gerry.
Maar hy het nou al teen homself gebied.
Sê vir my skoon, ons kan ek nie sal deel.
Okay, so ons het nog steeds net 340. Any advances on 340,000? No advances. Gerry, daar is jou wa. Toe. GP, jy het 'n man op die foon. Probeer hom in die hande kry, dis hy wat vanoggend geregistreer het. Hierdie trailer was verkoop vir R270,000 November veiling. Kan ons begin by 250? Can we start at 250,000? 240. Sukkel jy? Vra hy moet bies ons Gerry. Ja, ons sal sê. Moet ons wag?
Hoekom draai wel want ek kan sien as hy wil bied. Is online, sy botte kom deur as hy bied.
Is hy op die waar ook? Kan ons
Klim nie net bied.
Gerry, kan ons 250 kry asseblief? Help ons gou uit daar.
Ek vra hom nou al vir 220.
Okay.
Hy's daar net terug.
Hy moet van die foon af klim en bied. Hy kom op as interested, maar hy bied.
Daar is hy nou op speaker. Nou gaan ons almal hoor. Die kliënt wat geregistreer het vanoggend. Kyk, kom ons gee 2 minute. Kom ons kom terug na 79 toe. Okay, guys, we're going to pass 79. We'll come back to it now. We've got 2 buyers and we are struggling to get a hold of them. Lot number 81. We have got an opening bid of 130. It is a 2015 SA Truck 40 Cube side tipper link. We have got 130. Can we get 140? We are giving side tippers away today. Ons het R130,000. Kan ons 140 kry? Vir die hele trailer. $130 for the first, second, sure, last call, en watter een? $30,000. 130 for the first, second, last call, 1634. Okay, kan ons nou teruggaan na 79 toe? Do we have 250? $260 I've got on the phone. Is 'n 2021 leader 30 cube. 260,000 on the phone. For the first call, jou koper. Wat se nommer? 2001. Thank you, sir. Okay, guys, the next 5 side tipper links belong to a business practitioner. Whatever offers we get, we will give through. It'll be run through the estate and we'll be given an answer, hopefully by close of business on Monday. 2020 Bahrain, 40 or a 45, I'm not sure. I think they're 45s, I'm not sure. Can we start at 100 grand? $100 we've got. Can we get 110? 120 we've got. Asking 130. 120 we've got. We're asking for 130,000. 125. R120,000 vir 'n sleepwa. 125. Thank you. Asking. We've got 125,000. First, last call, 1018. Lot 84, same story, same estate. Can we start at 100 grand? 100 etoms, 110. $120 etoms. $120,000 we have, asking for 125. We've got 125, asking 130. 125 for the first, second, last call, last buyer, 1018. Lot 85, same story, same model. Can we start at 100 grand again? 100 het ons. 110, 120, 125. Ons het 120, ons soek 125. Hulle kan net sowel almal koop vir daai geld. We've got 120,000. Do we have any advances on 120? We've got 125. Any advances on 125? First, second, last call, last buyer, 1018. Lot number 86, second last site up a link, 2018 model. Can we start at 100 grand? 100 het ons. 110. Ek het 100, 110 het jy, 120. Nou word almal wakker. Ons het 110, kan ek 120 kry, ek het 120, 125. 120 we've got, asking 125. $120 for the first, is julle koper weg. Second, last call vir 'n hele trailer, 120,000. Nee, jy kan, ja. 120 by 2012. Okay, last lady for a shave, lot number 87. 2013 top trailer. Waar kan ons begin? 90 het ons. Can we get 100? Ons het 100, dankie. Can we have 110? Can we get 105? We've got 100,000 asking for 105. $100 for the first, second, last call. Great stuff. 105. Can we have 110? Ons het 105,000. Ons vra vir 110. Waar koop jy site per links vir hierdie geld? 105 for the first. Julle kopers weg. Lyk so, nee. 105 for the second. Last call, wat had jy 110? Wonderlike nuus. Asking 115. Is dit verkeerd? So ons het weer 105. Asking for 110, guys. 105 for the first, second, last call, by 1017. Daar's hy, dankie julle. Thanks to all the online bidders. We're going to try to give approvals by close of business. The ones that we can't, we'll give you feedback on Monday. Have a nice weekend.